Hello, welcome to Bloom. Today we are going to discuss the second chapter of A-level ICT subject, Introduction to Computer. This chapter has four main items: history of computing, computer organization, computer architecture, and memory hierarchy. First, let's learn about the history of computing. Let's now see what's the history of computing. Computing started with the abacus, which was initially used for arithmetic tasks. It was used in Babylonia. The modern computing devices started with the mechanical computing devices in 19th century. After that, analog computers were introduced which used electromechanical parts for the machine. Thereafter, electronic age of computing started with the digital computers. Charles Babbage is considered as the father of computer. He conceptualized and invented the first mechanical computer in 1833. It was called as the Analytical Machine. He used punch cards to input the programs and data. The output was taken by a printer, a curve plotter, and a bell. It consisted of an arithmetic logic unit and control flow and an integrated memory. This is the Analytical Machine designed by Charles Babbage. After mechanical computers, analog computers were introduced. They used direct mechanical or electrical model as a basis for computation. The differential analyzer introduced by James Thomson is an example for analog computers. After analog computer era, digital computers were introduced. They used either electromechanical parts or vacuum tubes in their circuits. This is the newly renovated garage where Bill Hewlett and Dave Packard started their business, Hewlett-Packard, in California. The modern computers were first proposed by Alan Turing. Universal computing machine concept was used to execute instructions stored on a tape. Von Neumann acknowledged this concept. This is the first automatic general-purpose electronic decimal digital computer. The picture shows how plugging and unplugging cables and adjusting switches were done those days. The evolution from digital computers to modern computers was mainly due to transistors and ICs used in the circuits. MOSFET is the most critical device component in modern ICs. MOSFET stands for Metal Oxide Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor. The development of MOSFET led to the invention of microprocessor. When we summarize what we learned now, you can see there are several generations of computers. The first generation of computer had mechanical or electromechanical parts. For example, Babbage Analytical Machine is an example of first generation machine. In the second generation, they used vacuum tubes. They were called digital computers. In the third generation of computers, they used transistors and integrated circuits. Mainframes, mini-computers, and desktop computers were introduced in the third generation. And in the fourth generation, we are using more sophisticated machines. Thank you for watching the video and join for the next video on computer organization.